In May 2025, a tech unicorn worth $1.5 billion vanished almost overnight. Not from a market crash, not from competition, but from what investigators are calling one of the most brazen cases of AI washing in startup history. This is the story of Builder.ai, a company that promised to revolutionize software development with artificial intelligence. There was just one problem. The AI barely existed.
I am Sachin Devdugal, the co-founder and chief wizard at Builder.ai. We've built a platform that allows everyone to be able to build software as easy as ordering pizza.
Imagine ordering an app as easily as ordering a pizza. That was a promise Sachin Devdugal sold to investors and customers alike. Builder.ai claimed to have cracked the code, using AI to automate what typically takes teams of developers months to build. But before we jump into the deep end, let's take a step back and explore the early days. Who is really behind Builder.ai? Where did they come from? Before he became the face of a $1.5 billion AI startup, Sachin Devdugal was already making waves in the tech world. A serial entrepreneur who started coding at age 12, Devdugal had a knack for spotting trends and selling visions. By his early 20s, he had already founded multiple tech ventures. His pitch was always the same: democratizing technology for the masses. It was a message that would later become Builder.ai's battle cry. In 2016, Devdugal and his co-founder Saurabh Dut launched Engineer.ai, later rebranded as Builder.ai. Their headquarters, a sleek office in London. From 2016 to 2023, they underwent a remarkable transformation. As mentioned in 2016, they initially launched as Engineer.ai. 2019 is where they rebranded to Builder.ai. 2020 is the introduction of Natasha, their AI assistant. 2021, they expanded globally. 2022, they reached unicorn status. And by 2023, they were valued at $1.5 billion. This is where the company had attracted investments from tech giants like Microsoft and SoftBank. Their assistant Natasha became the face of their revolution. But behind the sleek marketing and bold claims, a very different reality was taking shape. While Builder.ai marketed itself as an AI-powered platform, the truth was far more human. Instead of artificial intelligence, the company relied on approximately 700 engineers in India, manually writing code for each project. Natasha, their celebrated AI assistant, was just a marketing tool. But the deception didn't stop there. As investigators would later discover, Builder.ai was engaged in an elaborate financial dance with another company. Enter Versailles Innovation. While Builder.ai was making headlines in London, another tech giant was quietly operating from the heart of India's Silicon Valley. Versailles Innovation, a company that would become inextricably linked to one of tech's biggest scandals. Versailles Innovation wasn't born in the AI gold rush. Founded by Virendra Gupta and later joined by former Facebook India head Umang Bedi, Versailles had already established itself as a digital content powerhouse in India. Their flagship products told the story of digital India's evolution. Daily Hunt, a news aggregator serving content in 15+ Indian languages. Josh, their answer to TikTok's ban in India. Public Vibe, a hyper-local video app. By 2023, Versailles had become a force to be reckoned with, valued at over $5 billion with 350 million users across platforms. Backed by Google, Microsoft, and Qatar Investment Authority. But beneath the success story lay a complex web of transactions with Builder.ai. Between 2021 and 2024, both companies engaged in what investigators would later call round tripping, a practice that raised serious questions about both companies' reported revenues. The scheme was deceptively simple. Builder.ai would bill Versailles for services. Versailles would then bill Builder.ai for similar amounts. The idea is that both companies could showcase increased revenue. However, neither company actually exchanged significant services. The house of cards began to collapse in early 2024. Independent audits revealed that Builder.ai had overstated its sales projection by 300%. The real revenue? $50 million, not the $220 million claimed to investors. When lender Viola Credit discovered the discrepancy, they moved swiftly, seizing over $37 million from Builder.ai accounts. The company was left with just $5 million in restricted funds. So how were they found out? Well, simple. There was a pattern that emerged through matching invoice amounts, synchronized timing of transactions, lack of substantive deliverables, circular flow of funds. When Builder.ai's collapse made headlines, Versailles' innovation response was swift and categorical. They firstly denied any wrongdoing, claimed all transactions were legitimate, insisted on proper documentation while maintaining a distance from Builder.ai's problems. For Versailles, the Builder.ai scandal raised uncomfortable questions. How much of the reported revenue was genuine? Were there other similar arrangements? What did investors know? And how would this affect their future funding? While Builder.ai faces bankruptcy, Versailles Innovation continues to operate, though under increased scrutiny, with investors demanding more transparency, auditors reviewing past transactions, and regulatory bodies taking closer looks while the public watched for signs of trouble. Today, Builder.ai faces bankruptcy proceedings across 3 countries. Nearly 1,000 employees have lost their jobs. The company owes $85 million to Amazon and $30 million to Microsoft in unpaid cloud services. But the Builder.ai story isn't just about one company's collapse. It's a warning about the growing phenomenon of AI washing, where companies exploit the AI hype to attract investments and customers. As artificial intelligence reshapes our world, the Builder.ai saga serves as a crucial reminder. Not everything that claims to be AI actually is. In the gold rush of the AI revolution, some are selling shovels, while others are just selling stories. The question now isn't just what happened at Builder.ai, but how many other AI companies might be building their futures on similar foundations of sand.